How to unmute someone on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unmute someone on Twitter. First thing we're gonna do is go to Twitter and then go here, and let's find someone like this one here. First let's mute this account. Click here and then click mute. And as you see, this account has been muted and now let's unmute this account. Just click these 3 points here and then click unmute, and as you see, this account has been unmuted. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.